At 219 Design, we've been working on ways to improve user experiences in virtual reality. We've been exploring the possibilities opened up by applying machine learning to VR interactions. In this video, you see an application we developed using fully tracked VR and a deep neural network to create a new way of inputting text into a VR application. We used TensorFlow to create a neural network model to map user input to an inferred letter of the alphabet. In this case, we are using an HTC Vive to interact with the scene created in Unity 3D. 219 Design is a product engineering consultancy based in Silicon Valley. If you'd like to connect, email getstarted@219design.com.